Hey everybody, Merrill here with Florida Lanai Curtains and Privacy on Demand. And today we are down in Boynton Beach, Florida, an area that I typically don't go to. But coming towards the end of our shade sale season, things kind of slowed down a little bit in our shade sale department and gave me some free time to make the drive down here to help out a customer. Because since we don't have any distributors in the Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Palm Beach area, by the way, if you know anybody who's interested in adding another product to their business line or starting a business, doing our curtains and shade sales down in the Miami, Fort Lauderdale area, we would be happy to entertain any potentially interested distributors. But today I'm showing you this job we did down here. The customer is looking to get some shade for this seating area. Normally this area would be getting completely exposed to the sun. You can see where the where's my finger? Where the sun is right now, and we've got this area, whole area shaded. It's shaded all the way out there, so all the way out into the. You can see all the way out into the pool area now. She's got the roof, the shade sails, and extended all the way out to a good portion of the pool. So if they wanted to be out in the pool in the morning, they would actually be able to enjoy a shaded area of the pool. But for now, we've solved the problem, and we've got their entire seating area completely shaded for them. Definitely going to allow them to enjoy this space for longer durations during the day. So just want to show you how we did this. We've got our three big main sails in the center, and then we went ahead and split the corner into two triangles. They preferred that instead of doing just one. Isn't always an option if you don't mind this gap between the center here. I typically like to do it as one piece, just for the additional shade that it provides. But it just is a different look, and some people have different preferences, and we want to accommodate your specific function and look that you're going for. So there we go, another job completely finished up, another shade solution installed. And if you're looking for shade or privacy in your outdoor space, give us a call at 321-220 oh boy, what is our phone number? Let me just give you mine. 321-522-8989. 321-522-8989. Or stop by FloridaLanaiCurtains.com or LanaiCurtains.com, where you can do an instant online quote for any of our products, get an idea of the price, and schedule a phone call or an in-home consultation with us. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.